Our growth mindset and our drive to innovate permeates through everything we do. That's why we've zeroed in on key growth solutions to help maximize customer success, not only for today, but for the future to come. Introducing our Global Cloud Growth Solutions, focused areas that drive optimized business outcomes and strategic growth for businesses, partners, and vendors alike. Receive deep expertise in modern cloud platforms, seamless security, connected workplace, and business performance. Our first growth solution area, Modern Cloud Platforms, enables our partners to deliver modern cloud solutions, services, and a catalog of products that serve today's modern cloud customer. Fully equipped with solutions like application modernization and data and insights, we support our partners in the cloud ecosystem to build practices around specialized growth solution areas that are available on the hyperscaler cloud platforms. Don't let your customers be threatened by the evolving digital landscape. Our seamless security growth solution gives your customers peace of mind by providing security protection that safeguards their endpoints, identity, and security operations. This is your opportunity to leverage the right tools, services, and resources that strategically drive long-term growth for you and your customers. Our third growth solution area is Connected Workplace. Through a connected workplace, work from any place, at any time, from anywhere. Benefit from collaboration-focused resources like collaboration apps, digital experiences, and virtual desktops. Let your business reap the benefits of productivity and efficiency. Our final growth solution, Business Performance, takes a tailor-made approach to business process optimization strategies that work best for your team. By implementing CRM, ERP, and workflow automation solutions, you can equip your customers with a business strategy designed for the future. Ready to realize your potential?